In this video, I want to talk to you about how to start match betting in a few easy steps. Hey, welcome back to the channel. For those of you new here, my name is still Chris, and on this channel I love talking about how to make money online and how to get smarter with your money. Now this video is going to be aimed at everyone that has not even started match betting yet. So if you do need some more advanced strategies to do with match betting, I'll leave some links in the description to videos that I've done on those more advanced strategies, which will be for people that are, well into match betting and have built up their bankroll and so on. Before we get into it and we get on the laptop though, I will just quickly mention the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group, which of course, as you already know, there is a link down in the description for. Sometimes I get the feeling that I say the link is down in the description way too much, and I do apologize if I do, but I just need to make sure people know where to go to find these helpful links. Okay, so getting straight onto the laptop then. This is going to be another video where I take you through a training guide on Oddsmonkey, through a tutorial, and really just, this is for people that can't be bothered, basically. For all the lazy ones watching, you can't be bothered to go through reading an article. You just want to watch a video that's going to get you into it. So here on the Oddsmonkey dashboard, we'll just simply click on to tutorials here. Now, these tutorials, as it says here, so it's just basically Oddsmonkey tutorials. As it says, step through the 7 free tutorials, learn and earn, which learn and earn, coincidentally, is the Profit Boss slogan. I had no idea that it was the Oddsmonkey slogan, but yeah, it turns out that I accidentally chose the same slogan as them. So, learn and earn your first £69. Like it says there, this is completely free here, so there's nothing to pay if you want to get involved in this. But we just have 7 steps here, so Tutorial 1 we're going to look at is match betting intro, so I'm going to read through that for you, and then we've got betting exchanges, and I want to explain everything that they are, and then the odds matcher, so what that tool is and how it can help you, and then after that, basically after those 3 steps there, the other 4 steps of the 7 are basically just completing those offers. So we'll just go ahead and read through the guides, and I'll share my thoughts on anything that Oddsmonkey might have missed out that from my experience of match betting for over 2 years, I'll be able to add to it. I will of course add to it and be able to help you with them. Okay, so clicking on to the tutorial 1 then, let's go ahead and load that up. And as I say, this is completely free, so you have nothing to worry about as far as maybe you've heard about match betting and you're maybe a bit skeptical of it, because I know a lot of people are when they hear about a guaranteed way to beat bookmakers and make guaranteed profits and the fact that it's nothing to do with gambling. There are a lot of skeptical people, so I don't want anyone watching this video that hasn't started match betting yet to feel uncomfortable that they're going to have to pay any money out or anything to get into it. You really don't. And the reason why Oddsmonkey do this free guide is to basically just show people, look, it is a real thing. You are going to make money with it. When you are ready though to finish up with the free trial and you want to get well underway with making more profits and unlocking all these offers that Oddsmonkey have set up, so all the guides to do all the offers from all the different bookmakers in the UK, there is a discount code, so a promo code down in the description to get you 12 days for £1 of the premium membership. And if you go through my link in the description, it is massively appreciated, of course. And there's also a promo code to get 50% off your first month down there as well. So, yeah, massively appreciated. I go through a lot of effort and work to make these videos. So if anyone uses my affiliate link to sign up to Oddsmonkey through, then it's just hugely appreciated, of course. But having said that, it has a video here which I won't play because obviously you'll have the access to this on the free trial, so you can go and watch this 3-minute video in your own time. But yeah, basically it's just explaining what is match betting. So match betting is a way to turn bookmaker free bet offers into real money. Online bookmakers give out free bets to encourage people to join them. And then it says we show you how to turn those free bets into real profit. Simply by placing a few bets to cover all the outcomes, and then your money is never at risk and you walk away with a profit every time. And I can really back this up. Obviously I've been doing match betting over 2 years. I've made around just over £27,000, and that is all tax-free because it's classed, although it's not gambling, the tax man classes it as gambling winnings because there's no sort of there's no differentiation. If you're match betting or gambling, they're not going to tax you any other way. It's just classed as tax-free income here. It mentions in the article about, in the next few minutes, we will cover what match betting is. So I'll just explain that, how it works. Basically, just explain that you bet on all the outcomes with your own money to get your money back guaranteed. And then you take the free bet that the bookmakers have given you, bet on all the outcomes again. So no matter what, you've then used their money to place a bet, and you just keep that difference in between. It really is that simple. To show you what I mean by that, on the calculator here, so on Oddsmonkey, you go to Tools, Calculator. You can see here that on normal mode, if you put £10 in, and then back odds of say 1.5 and lay odds of 1.55, you can bet £10 for, say, a football team to win, and then you would bet £9.68 at the exchange, so the place where you place the bets against the outcome happening, and that would cost you 32 pence there to bet £10, so guaranteed, as you can see here at the bottom. No matter if the bet wins or the bet doesn't win, you are going to lose 32 pence out of that £10 guaranteed. But then when we swap this to free bet SNR, which stands for stake not returned, then you can see that if we change the back odds to 5.0, the lay odds to 5.1, with a £10 free bet then, so if that offer was bet £10 of your own money, they're going to give you £10. You can see that those odds there, you're going to then get a guaranteed £7.86 if the team or whatever it is wins, and then £7.84 if it loses. So only a couple of pence difference there, minus your, what's called the qualifying loss, that 32 pence, what I think we said it was. So yeah, you've still made over £7.50, absolutely guaranteed, risk-free there. And then the final part here of what they're wanting to explain in this guide is how Oddsmonkey can help. So basically, I've just explained to you how it all works. And as I say, there is all of this. If you want to read through all this at your own leisure, you can. But basically, Oddsmonkey can help because you can go to offers here, new account offers, bookmakers, and they also have new account offers for casino sites as well. And as you can see here, I won't scroll through all of them because that's kind of ruining the surprise. But as you can see here, just with these, 2, 4, 6, 8, so 7 actually, because that match but 1 doesn't count. But there's all of these offers here. So Virgin Bet £10, get two £10 there, so £20 free. There's the William Hill one there, bet £10, get £30. So there's so many offers here that you can just see there's tons of offers. And actually, that's not all of them because I have marked many of those guides actually as complete. So basically, yeah, that's how Oddsmonkey can help. They're just going to provide you with the tools and guides and everything that you need to do all these offers. So now we've got tutorial 1 done. Let's get into tutorial 2 then. So I'll go ahead and load that up. And this is basically just explaining what betting exchanges are. So there are 2 main betting exchanges. There are indeed actually 4 in total. But the 2 main ones, so I brought them up here, are called Smarkets, and then there is the Betfair Exchange. So not to get confused with Betfair Sportsbook, that's the bookmaker side, but the Betfair Exchange is its own exchange there. Now, I would recommend you use Smarkets because you can sign up, when you sign up to Oddsmonkey Premium, you actually then get a special deal with Smarkets. When you connect Oddsmonkey to Smarkets, they let you use Smarkets for 0% commission, absolutely free. Whereas if you use Betfair Exchange, they don't have that deal, so you end up paying 2% on all of your lay bets. So if we just look at Smarkets then, you can see here for these football matches, these numbers in blue here are what's called the lay bet. So you can see there, it says, I'll just click that Bolivia v Uruguay match, and you can see against draw has come up when I've clicked the blue one. And basically, yeah, that is where you would place your bet against the outcome happening. So you would go to the bookmaker, place the back bet, and then go to Smarkets and place the lay bet. And there is a complete video guide in here, all to do with exchanges as well. So definitely, if you're serious about starting match betting, do seriously check out all these guides here, not just this video that I've put together. Okay, so now we've got through tutorial 2. Let's go over to tutorial 3 here. So we'll go ahead and click on View Tutorial, and this is going to be a guide on the odds matcher. So what is the odds matcher? And it says here, what does the odds matcher do? And it says, as part of your Oddsmonkey free trial, you'll be able to use the Odds Matcher to help you make money from our 2 free Bookmaker sign-up offer guides. The Odds Matcher only shows these 2 bookmakers in the free trial mode, but features over 70 bookmakers in the premium membership. So to get to the Odds Matcher, you would simply on the, so we can be on the dashboard here, or you can just navigate from the tools here. But on the dashboard of Oddsmonkey, you just simply click Odds Matcher there. That's going to load up the, obviously I'm a premium member, so it's going to load up every single bookmaker. And it essentially, without having to go through all this guide here, and again, there is a video explaining it, but essentially what the Odds Matcher does is, as it says on the tin, it finds bets that are a good odds match and just gives them to you on a plate basically. And if you were to try and find these without the use of Oddsmonkey, it would be insanely difficult. So it's really, really good. You've got a filter here. You can filter what sports you want, what markets you want, the bookmakers. So as you can see, because I'm a premium member, I've got all of the bookmakers there, not just the 2 from the free trial. Lots and lots of bookmakers. You can set everything up here, which I don't need to go into now because I do have other videos on the channel on how to set those filters up. But yeah, that's what this tool is for, and it's a really, really good tool. I know this video is meant for, this is another great thing. With Oddsmonkey, if there's any alerts they need to let you know that are important, they'll flash it across the top of the screen in red there. You can, of course, close that off there. But this is a bit more advanced for a mega beginner video, but this is another fantastic tool that they have. So the extra place matcher here. So you go to Tools, Matchers, Extra place matcher, and yeah, this is just an amazing tool that really helps you make profits with horse racing extra places strategy, which that is so advanced for, you know, if you're just watching this, you haven't started match betting yet. Obviously, this isn't for you, but I'm just letting you know that there's many more tools than what is just, you know, what I'm showing you on this video. And the Oddsmonkey website is just a super powerful website to use and is really worth it. Okay, now tutorial 4, 5, 6, and 7, as I said, are just repeating themselves. So they're just showing you how to make these profits here. And what I'll do is I'll go into the first one. We'll just look at this first one so you can have a sort of good feeling of how the offers are broken down here and just how easy they are to understand. So at the top there it says approximate reading time, nearly 10 minutes, and it's going to tell you what the tutorial covers, how much the offer is worth. So this is a bet 5 to get a £20 free bet, which is fantastic for, especially if you're starting out and you have a lower bankroll. So bankroll being the amount of money that you have to put into match betting. If you're working with 100 quid as your starting bankroll, then obviously that's a really good offer there because it's just nice and low cost to entry there to get into it. So it's going to walk you through it step by step here. So step 1, opening the bookmaker up. Step 2, signing up to it, adding money in, change to decimal odds, and even showing you exactly how to change to decimal odds. Finding the qualifying bet, and then it's going to say open the odds matcher. And yeah, it's just a super handy guide here to really walk you through it. And if you, like I say, if you're really wanting to get started with match betting, then just seriously get over to Oddsmonkey and you know, check it out and just get going with it. It's something that's, I mean, look, you can see there, step 12, so they've gone to that many steps with it. And as I say, after that one, there's just another 3 completely free guides there on how you can make those guaranteed risk-free profits. If you've made it to this part of the video, thank you so much for watching to the end. It shows you the dedication that you have to watch such a long video, and you must have a fantastic attention span. If you could press the like button on this video, then it would be massively appreciated. And of course, until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.